What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we got something a little different today. We got something from Samsung. We have a box right here. It says break the rules from Samsung members, and we're gonna unbox it right now. So without further ado, let's see what we got in here. Now, if some of you guys didn't know already, Samsung's Unpacked event is coming real soon. I think it's February 9th. If you haven't seen the ads already online or on YouTube, yes, their Unpacked event is coming soon. They will be revealing some of their latest devices, and they sent me something over to kind of celebrate the event and participate, because it's going to be happening virtually, and they sent over this pretty dope kit, and now we're gonna unbox it right now. So let's open it up and see what we get, shall we? Once we get it out of the box, we are greeted with a message from President and Head Mobile Experience Business TM Rowe of Samsung Electronics. So let's read it real quick. Dear Samsung members, despite the continuous challenges of the pandemic, each and every one of Samsung members has shown phenomenal support and enthusiasm throughout the last year. Aiming to implement our sustainable vision and establish a better future, we are planning to leverage our innovation to enrich the experience for every user this year. We are extremely excited to show you the endless possibilities of the new Galaxy. The theme for the upcoming Members Live is cinema. Each member will get a chance to be the creator of your own story. The items in this kit will allow you to unleash your creativity and upload content to social media channels celebrating the next Unpacked. We would like you to capture and share your best cinematic moment with your fellow Samsung members around the world. In the new world we are facing, we believe that your imagination, openness, and ingenuity will be the key to realizing the connectivity through Galaxy. We hope you enjoy the journey towards new technology in the new year of 2022. Welcome to Galaxy Unpacked. Now let's get that out of the box, and we are greeted right away to this. Break the rules. It's like some sort of headpiece that you can place on your head. I don't think I'll be wearing this right now, so let's put this to the side. And we've got some boxes here. We've got a bigger box. We've got a flatter, larger boxes here. And we've got another box here with some stuff in it. And then we have this thing. Looks like a film roll right here. And that's it. So let's put this aside. All right, I guess we'll start with this one. Let's open it up and take a look and see what we got in here. First thing we got is a tripod. A white tripod with a USB cable. White tripod right here. Put that aside. Let's open this up. Let's see what we get here. Oh, okay. So we have like we have a marker. We've got, one of these cinema things, action, one of these things. All right, put that to the side. We also have here some props, some other props. Let's open. All right, we've got some other props here. Break the rules. Walk of Fame Galaxy. We've got stickers or something. We got right there some other types of props. It's green, so the green screen is gonna make it look weird, so sorry about that. Looks like a ticket, like a movie ticket. Some other little props and stuff here. Some paperwork. Some other little props, movie props. Break the rules. And a book, I guess, like a book, a sketchbook or something. Empty page there. Alright, that aside. Alright, let's open up this next bigger box. Alright, we have a device here. Looks like it takes batteries. Oh yeah, we got the batteries in here. Yeah. I don't know what this is. I think it's a light. From what I've seen already. It's like a light thing, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, when you turn it on, it's some like, you know, rainbow colored thing. I guess that's part of the experience. What else do we have here? Skinnier box. Oh, we've got a watch band. Got a Samsung members director watch band for the Galaxy Watch. The Galaxy Watch. Right here. What size is it? I don't know what size it is. Not exactly sure. I'm not gonna throw it on right now. Throw it on later. Oh, last box right here. And this is a Samsung members pen. I think this is like a stylus / pen right here. Yeah, it's an actual pen, and it doubles as a stylus as well on this side. Looks like a something you can charge. I'm not sure. It's got like the pins or something. Not exactly sure. Yeah, so that's about it. I guess instructions on how to set everything up are on these papers right here. So we'll be doing that later on, and I'll be posting more videos and more content on my social media, so check that out. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing. Now I gotta clean it up. Stay tuned for some other content. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitch, follow me on all my channels for the latest Samsung content. And yeah, tune into Unpacked, February 9th. The Epic Standard Galaxy Unpacked, February 9th, 2022. Live on Samsung.com. Stay tuned.